Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got another one of these super adorable little mini mulberries to show you today. So this is the mini mulberry Alexa, and these are so popular with you guys, and I can see why. They're such a gorgeous little bag. The Alexa is such a popular mulberry style anyway, but in this little miniature size, it's just super cute. So I'll talk you through the features. We've got one little miniature leather plaited top handle. We also have a removable strap, which is adjustable as well. So we've got it on the shortest setting at the minute, and you can see it just clips on either side. And then we have got a flap closure, and that's got two magnetic press stud fasteners for these belts. So I'll just open those up. And then we also have a little miniature mulberry postman's lock as well. And then inside here, we've got a couple of bits in there, so I'll just pop those out so I can show you when I show you what it comes with. But we've got leather on that flap closure, and then we've got a suede lining, and we've got one flap pocket in there. The condition of it, it's in a very gorgeous condition. We've called the exterior very good. There isn't actually really any marks on the leather for me to show you. You can see that leather is really nice. The corners are in a perfect condition, and it's a lovely grained leather. You can just see that it has got a little bit of a bend to the shape though. This leather is kind of naturally a bit slouchy, but you can see on the top there's just a little bit of a bend there. It's kind of bent in a little bit. Again, that's the kind of thing as when you start using it, if you put your bits in there, it will kind of sort out that shape. And actually this leather lends itself to being worn and getting a little bit slouchy and that kind of thing. So I don't think that takes away from the bag at all. The hardware we've called very good again. It is this lovely kind of pale gold hardware, and you can see that it's all really shiny and it's all still got that gold tone, but if you look closely at that postman's lock, you would be able to see just a little bit of scratching. And then I'll open up these press studs so you can see on there as well. Again, just a very slight bit of scratching on those press studs, so that's why that's very good. And then the interior is excellent. There is nowhere for me to show you at all on that interior. The suede is perfect. This flap closure is perfect. We have called the interior excellent because it is in a gorgeous condition. I'll show you what it comes with. So we have got a little mulberry care card inside that mulberry card sleeve, and then we also have a little mulberry product tag as well. And then we finally have the mulberry dust bag. And if you would like to know exact measurements, or you'd like a few more details on this bag, you'll be able to find them on our website. Quickest way to get to this bag on our website is to click the link in the description below. It should hopefully take you straight to this bag on armcandybagco.com, but if it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. I'm just going to get this flap closure shut properly, there we go. If it has sold by the time you've got to our website, let us know that you are looking out for one, and we'll get you on the request list. That just means as soon as we have another one, you'll be one of the first to know, and then you can get in there nice and quickly next time we have one in, and then hopefully you won't miss out the next time. So that is the request list. Get on there if you're interested in one of these. I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I am a size UK 10, I'm 5'4", and we've got that strap on the shortest setting again at the minute, so I can pop it on my shoulder, or I can pop it crossbody. And a little black bag is just like a wardrobe staple, especially with this gold hardware. I'm a gold hardware type of girl. I think it looks really nice with the black leather. And again, it's a wardrobe staple, a little black bag. I think this is a really cute option for a little black bag, a little black crossbody. Mini mulberries are just adorable. So go to the link in the description below, have a look at this adorable little bag on our website, sign up to our newsletter while you're on there, and we will send you through your welcome discount code. And don't forget, while you're here, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back very soon with some more gorgeous bags for you. So we'll see you later.